Ukuhamba nginduku ngi-disabled ngesiZulu khubazekile yabo. Yeah, just nje.
Unani?
Iy'nyawo zami ziyabhenda ngithola was-born nje kanjalo, hhayi ukuthi khona into mhlawumbe eyenzeka kimi, hhayi ngazalwa nje kanjalo.
So-ke manje adjusting to the music scene mfethu with that ukuthi vele angithandi mina ukuthi kuthiwe umuntu u-disabled because manje yabo uma sekuthiwa disabled sounda bad mfethu yabo.
No, hayi phela kunjalo
because usuke nawe uspecial mfethu in your own way yabo, yiyo nto ngisho mfethu yabo ukuthi nawe in your own way. So-ke manje ukunavigate-ke mfethu through music mfethu ukhona konke
qinisile Razo. That's why kumele like yabo manje sengiyazama ukurapper like where I'm from yabo, and also ngipreach nanokuthi yabo ngikhubazekile nani like sekuyi-target audience yami le ukuthi no flop ukuthi ngikhubazekile nanokuthi like yabo ngiphume yakhishi ngizama ukupreacha wonke.
Yeah cause vethu uyabona angeke ngize ngiqamba manje mhlawumbe nawe i-torrent akubukeki kungayinto vele easy mfethu because yabo mangathiwa into easy kusuke nanombane engavela yenza yabo. For you mfethu to push those boundaries and decide ukuthi okay, this is what I want to do, and you keep doing it yabo, no matter what kukodwa lokho mfethu yabo, it shows a different level of mindset yabo.
A very big inspiration Tony yabo, because mina ngirapper mostly ngeVNEC, and njengoba ngishilo sabo ngikhule namandiya, so it's like a mixture of like ngiphenduka ngiqale ngibe ikasi rapper kodwa yabo in like i-trap yabo, like i-rapper
ikasi trap
ngeVNEC yabo most times, and yabo what kind nani yabo for inkabi zami zamandi yabo namakhaladi nani kuba bezongi-understand ukuthi yabo ngithini.
Dreams. Yeah, I got dreams. Yeah, I got dreams. Yeah, I got dreams.
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya, sengiphinde ngabuya futhi with another episode of Ina Upopile hlelo lumkilokazi inyanga ke njengenjwayele yabo. Uma kunje waka subscribe suxabana yabo, subscribe yabo, subscribe au click notification button, ushare nje umsebenzi wethu and uhlale kanye nathi yabona, uhlale kanye nathi njengenjwayelo. Namhlanje nginiphathele brother lana Westside YBK. How are you?
I'm good, sir. I'm good, and you?
I'm good, man. I'm good. It's a pleasure mfethu ukuthi to have you at the studio, and hopefully mfethu people will get to know you better and understand mfethu more about your life going forward.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to be here.
Okay, so do you want us to like speak English only, or we can do VNEC?
VNEC, no my head. Ngumzulu phela.
Okay, no, that's fine. We'll very carefully get that understanding beforehand, so that naturally we can communicate proper.
I know whatever.
Yeah, but how was your day today?
My day was good. I rushed up to do the interview. I was so happy, yabo.
That's good because we spoke last week, and then we said we're gonna do it this week. So now I'm ready to have you to figure lana. It's a pleasure, it's a pleasure. So manje for someone who's seeing you for like the first time, what would you say ukuthi Westside HBK ubani?
Westside YBK usibonga wonke isibisi uMahlasi Bhuvungane. I'm a rapper yabo from Ladysmith, kodwa ngihlala khona la eThekwini.
Okay.
Borders Hill. Ngikhulelele kwamandiya namakhaladi endaweni
Ladysmith.
Yeah, Ladysmith. Endaweni kuthiwa kuseyakhisha.
Okay.
Akhishaville, yeah.
Ngiyabona ayisho ukuthi vele umNatali vele ke umNatali.
Natal.
Osibisi kambe bakubani Osibisi? Ithakazelo Osibisi.
Osibisi uMahlasi
Oh yeah. Ayisibonge esikhulu ke futhi lezo ke.
Spares.
Yeah, it's a very big thing. So ke manje ke nje before vele we even like jump into what you do in terms of like music and nezinye izinto that you do mhlawumbe on the side. I want us nje to speak about you first yabo nje, since usho nawe ukuthi you grew up in indaweni vele eMandiya and stuff. How was the upbringing ke manje ke being around that, because mhlawumbe wena as much as bukhula naMandiya but you are black yabo.
Hey, best experience. Indaba mhlawumbe zama racism nani angikhumbuli zikhona yabo, mhlawumbe enzazikhona but yabo ngangisamncane ukuyibona, but sikhule nje la engikhule khona abantu abamnyama, aMandiya, amakhaladi yabo, Charos, Brainos, Dakios, sonke nje yabo sikhona yabo, sidlala sonke. Angikhumbuli ngempela racism bikhona nani yabo.
Yeah, but that's good vele because manje mawuzobheka vele as much as vele nabo abantu they always like try to make ngathi izinto racism iningi and what but nje thina mfethu nje sinde post 1994 it's not the same yabo. Yeah, but especially futhi with aMandiya, because but now Indians they're also like considered as blacks yabo. Yeah, very good now they are blacks now but now in their own way. So get home ke ukhule nobani ke now get home, your mom, dad, grandma.
Usichaze ke lazo ngikhuliswe ioledi lami Timer lalikhona. Nenhlanhla nje futhi enkulu Timer lalikhona. Obhuti bami ababili wakhona usisi wami owayehlala khona naye yabo, but nje kwakumuzi yabo, umuzi nje owagcwele abantu yabo, lots of people yabo, there's lots of people. Abantu bebefika nje yabo, okhazini bami nani yabo befike bezohlala khona yabo, besipane yabo nani yabo. So ithama lami leli umuntu onjalo elalisiza abantu kanye nalo futhi olidi yabo enjalo nalo.
Bebengenankinga ukuthi vele bahlezi abantu nabo beza abanye. So manje ke lapho ke phela ukukhulela ke lapho ke yini mhlawumbe that was, did you always know mhlawumbe ukuthi ke one day mhlawumbe you wanna be a musician, noma mhlawumbe there was something mhlawumbe that was sparking you at that time?
Yeah, time ndlela kakhulu ikwaito. And ikwaito inama elements of hip hop yabo. So
yeah, ikwaito wahlahle hip hop ethuzola 7 sikasi rap uzola omapupuzo otrompisa. Vele phela ikwaito phela le yoko mjakaramba
yabo. Nobhuti wami wayenokuba inika kancane esakhula yabo, wayethanda Lil Wayne. Young Money nani. Khona nomunye ubhuti wami nakeke nje hip hop nje into yakhe. So ngagcine sengithanda yabo. Khona umunye ubhuti wami futhi uproducer yabo, so ngabona ukuthi hayi ishandise engayenza nami le.
I wonder, but that's good because nathi vele I think wonke umuntu fethu, most abantu vele fethu started doing music, they got inspired vele ngazo lezi ikhathi zozola 7 yabo, but zozola they still like relevant even today.
Today.
Yeah, basa relevant kakhulu. So did you start ke when doing it at that time, noma ngaleso sikhathi we just observing uze kwafika nini ke manje ke la ngathi khona nje you started writing even for the first time?
I was observing ngaqala 2017 kwakusadume imigozi yabo. Imigozi lapho yabo oBaden Bush yabo, ngabona ukuthi hayi yabo, ngiyakhumbula ubhuti wami engitshela nje ethi ekuseni yabo leshandisa ilula ukumasterisha iflow yabo. So ngathi kuseni nami ukuthi ngiyenze lento, ngayizama lento kwabhede yabo.
What happened?
Ngangayitholi iflow and stuff like that yabo. So yeah.
Wangayitholi iflow ehambisana nawe ngaleso sikhathi?
Nje ngangi off beat Off beats.
But you were writing still.
Yeah. But I was writing still. I was writing still. Khona umunye ubhuti wami kuthiwa uMbusi. Yena uthanda hip hop but akayona umrapper but like uyakwazi ukurap yabo. So ngangibhala naye sesirecorda efonini ngabathempu sekufika yena. Ngaqala lapho ukuthola iflow nama punchline wangifundisa ukuthi yini punchline nani yabo
ngoba phela funeka vele inoma punchline inama metaphors was very hip-hop phela mfethu that's how kodwa futhi yamanje trap nayo trap abanye abasenawo ama punchline kwi trap but still
but still yadingeka khona kancane yabo yadingeka yabo mina ngilalela i-old school kakhulu because i trap nani like yobusha ama punchline awekho but ngishaya yona just cause iyona into edumile iyona itrend
Canalo kuvele njengamanje in terms of people like ukuthi bayithathe yona hip hop vele isekho indlela ongayibalekela ngayo i trap I think vele it's in everything cause phela yonke lento uze kuthiwa i-trap it started with i-high BP lento zana high BPM ye beat then i-beat it then we added that sound wafika no Pop Smoke yabo yavele ke nje kwanale drill ke futhi manje lesi yabo lesi khona ndi kuhamba yona cause look at even nabo Tony nabo Simamane yabo phela they do le trap but it's a hip hop
yabo a very big inspiration no Tony yabo cause mina ngirapper mostly gave neck and njengoba ngishilo usabo ngikhule namandiya so it's like a mixture of like ngiphenduka ngiqale ngibe ikasi rapper kodwa yabo in like i-trap yabo like i-rapper
ikasi trap
ngivineke yabo most times and yabo what kind nani yabo for inkabi zami zamandi yabo nama-colored nani kodwa bezongi-understand ukuthi yabo ngithini
hayi ngeke plus ukuthi sengifisa nanokuke ngikuzweke ukuthi hayi ukuthi ugijima kanjani phela yabo vele i-combination ithe nje ukubaningi mfethu hayi so what was the first song that you did
first song was called I-Real Life.
Okay, what was it about real life?
Impilo yami nje waqeda ngaleso sikhathi bangicabanga waqeda kushona ugogo yabo so bakhona lokho akhishe le ngiphuma khona ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngayo most times yabo so ngikhuluma ngayo nomnambithi because lapho angisa fresh la eSekwini so umnambithi wasadume kakhulu ekhanda lami so angisarepa kakhulu yabo
vele bekusayikasi lakho vele ngaleso sikhathi yabo
besayikasi lami yabo so yeah
so uma usuyikhiphile leyo ngoma warepent kuyona ubuyi-release under any label noma you were just nje being self yabo independent
beni-independent ngayiphusha ku-SoundCloud.
Okay,
ngayiphusha ku-SoundCloud.
Usu-register lapho music uthi uregister ko-Sambro not what
uSambro angaka-register ku-Sambro but ingoma zami like as we speak zikhona kwama-digital platforms yabo wonke yabo so but but ngikhona ko-DistroKid nani but uSambro
no phela uSambro you must register there because phela whether that's where you get paid kahle for all these things because lokho mfethu there's someone who's just gonna come and register your song yabo before even when ifika lapha nisilapha because phela into esizayo ngoSambro anganibabala zona lezi zinto vele zokuthi how many times was your song played yabo ngisho idlala online abantu they get royalties mfethu kuSambro mfethu yabo phela hip hop mfethu noma ngithi music mfethu music pays now yabo akusafani nakudala because before music didn't pay but manje yabo uma ukuthi ukhona uSam khona nani futhi I think uSampra futhi or something I think uSampra wona ucounter every time uma perform yabo nje uma ukuhamba uperform somewhere you just take a video you send it to them as proof you get paid
manje nje like so nje mangiperforma basendele ivideo like ngiyokhokhela
senda nje just nje a few clip esho ukuthi because phela kahle ingoma funeka you get paid every time it's played you get paid every time you perform it so manje bona yilaba bafike khona ngoba uSambro I think uSambro wona have a once off fee Yeah, you can upload as many songs that you wanna upload there. Because ngisho ingoma yakho when idlala eradweni, there are ways ama-analytics where you can check ukuthi okay ingoma idlale to this radio, to this radio, to this radio, and then when you get paid process. Ngisho ngathi ingoma yakho iyathathwa yenziwe i-soundtrack omunye umuntu, you will get paid, yabo.
Yeah.
Then uma uperforma because ezinye izinto yabona ama-workshop ayasiza when it comes to that ama-workshop othatha music yabo where kuzofika khulunywe ngazo because ziningi nazo yabona nami ngoba ngikhuluma ngalawo 2 but I think there are more than 5 kanje.
As lapho mina ngazi uSamro kuphela nakhona angikuthatha nga serious lena so
because ungaziregistera ngisho efonini endlini lezo zinto azisekhona vese so ukuthi you understand the software if umuntu vele esingese mhlawumbe u-tech save kakhulu but okwaziyo ukuthi ungene kuma site yabo njengoba msho ukuthi njengoba vele you are independent nakuma platform vele uzifakela wena ingoma so you nakhona kaSamro vele ngibona ukuthi ikhona into engakudida lapha and futhi banawo ke manje nama offices ke la eThekwini you can even go to them to their offices ukwazi ukuthi umusic wakho ufake futhi lapha because angengidlale ngawe bra music pays mfethu yabo music pays but you must be kuma board nawe yabo lawo azokwazi ukuthi akulidele eduze.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa lazi ngiyabonga ngeadvice ngiyithatha futhi ngiyochecka.
Yeah, because phela it's very important in fact it's very important. So ke manje when you left ke Ladysmith and then came to Durban eDurban ke how was the adjustment ke manje ke phela ukuthi usuka ngale and now you are this side.
The adjustment it wasn't into ebuhlungu because ithama lesahlela khona le yakhisha so ngangifike silivakashele yabo like umuzi wangakadayiswa so yabo sasahamba ngama weekend so adjustment bakunje ngiyazi ukuthi kuzoshawula ehlanu ngile mnambitha bo siyaphindile singale mnambitha so
vele nithi vele kodwa manje anisayi manje
sasithe hayi basayi manje
nawo hamba wadayisa umuzi wathiwa hey kuthi vele kude kodwa phela Ladysmith vele la how many hours 2 or 3 hours yeah kude impela mawula akusiyindawo esingathi vele it's close by
bayikude
uphela iTheku ke vele lona ke indawo vele phela na ebusy indawo ebusy abantu vele they come this side if it's a lot so manje uma ufika la you started working with other people also ekutheni to do music or beatmaker bakho bani
inja John Don my bro from Cape Town yabo nja shama beats enye inkabi ke le shama yama beats khona nobhuti wami kuthiwa first on the slabs enye nayo inkabi lapho shama yama beats inkabi zami zawashama beats
mawudu umuntu ose Cape Town no mhlambe did you used to stay together mhlambe use Cape Town yena or you met online khona umjiti kuthiwa uWolf umrapper naye ngamshaya ngeDM ngithi ngicela ukusebenza naye sasebenza kwakhona ingoma yami wakuthiwa imali yayithwembu ngashaya remix naye ngamcela ukuthi engiboleke inumber so producer and ever since day naye ngisebenza naye wakuthatha kufaka so manje noma ukuthi use Cape Town they send you a beat and then when you take the beat and go record somewhere
ngangirecorda kwandingeza
okay ngiyabona into engezila ngako Pine Town ngoma ubhenga ko Savannah Park ngiyabona
yebo ngangirecorda khona lapho komunye umjiti kuthiwa uG but manje singayithengile imic yami so yabo sengirecorda edladleni
okay manje usufika urecord and then you master your sound
I don't know how to master into nje ngenzayo ngiyarecorda and I send it to him and he does everything
yabona kodwa ukuthi seshuthi siningi indlela yokusebenza yazi ukuthi I've never thought ukuthi bakhona abantu abenza kanjalo nje wena you just record and then because abantu abaningi phela sibazi ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu usezofika ayifakelele mase ayifakele auto tune isafaka oma reverb yonke lento vele nje because when it comes to music here, we do like use of FL Studio, so izona zinto that we familiar with yabo. When it comes to record and stuff.
I also use FL Studio yabo, but mina all I know how to do is ukurecorda bese ngizikuse John Don bese ngenze into yakho bese yangenzela bese uba moja yabo.
Vele imic wayithenga what type of mic?
I-Hi-Pad.
Hi-Pad.
Yeah, Hi-Pad. Sibani C6 C6 but yabo into enjalo yabo.
Kodwa phela that's good. Yazi ukuthi should kuyaprove ngampela ukuthi manje you can work anywhere akusekho ukuthi ngampela should ngisho umuntu overseas you can work with someone manje who's overseas as long as they send you a beat. And then when you record and then you send it back to them.
Yeah, but indaba zama email ayizona ziyasebenza email or WhatsApp.
Yeah, because I mean I've never like ngampela imagine ukuthi can you do that? Yabo thina sihlezi icabanga ukuthi once you send the beat yabo you must go to that producer vele go record again yabo. Kanti uma ukuthi ngampela nawe it's something that you can do. So ke manje ngoba ngiyakubona mfethu ukuthi uhamba ngeinduku I want to know the story mfethu there because I do believe mfethu ukuthi yonke into umuntu mfethu it defines mfethu the way you think, the way you do things yonke into.
No induku nje kuhamba nginduku ngi-disabled ngesiZulu khubazekile yabo. Yes, just nje.
Nani?
Inyawo zami ziyabhenda ngithola was born nje kanjalo hayi kusikhona into mhlawumbe eyenzeka kimi ngazalwa nje kanjalo.
So ke manje adjusting to the music scene mfethu with that ukuthi vele angithandi mina ukuthi kuthiwe umuntu disable because manje yabo mase kuthiwa disable sound bad mfethu yabo.
No hayi kwakuseyi phela kunjalo
yabo because usuke nawe special mfethu in your own way yabo yonto engisho mfethu yabo ukuthi nawe in your own way. So ke manje ukunavigate ke mfethu through music mfethu ukhona konke does it limit you mhlawumbe kwezinye indawo?
Angazi wera kazini sasikhuluma khona ikaba yami kuthiwa umnesha yabo. Akarap lutho kubaluleke nje uyawuthanda umculo and kade sikhuluma one time ukuthi khona umunye umjida wami kuthiwa SJ ebengitshela nje last year engitshela ukuthi kusemele ngikhulume more about ukukhubazeka because it's a thing ukuthi abantu mfethu yabo like bengaba inspired inspired. So I do think ukuthi i-50-50 yabo ukuthi kungangivalela amathuba nginokucabanga kanjalo but also kungaba into trend futhi.
No, but I don't think mina ukuthi mhlawumbe ngakuvalela amathuba ngoba phela vele nawe angeke uzothi uma ubhala ngakho ubhale ngakho in a way of ukuthi you victimizing yourself yabo because yabo if you write about it embrace yabo that's what vele people mfethu yabo we wanna fuck with that mfethu yabo because wonke umuntu mfethu we want that mfethu story mfethu because phela egcineni when we buy to your music and then we buy to everything we wanna buy mfethu everything from your thoughts from yabo everything that you face because you don't know mfethu ukuthi how many people mfethu abazovela babe inspired nje just stuff like that yabo.
Yeah but qinisile razo that's why kumele like yabo manje sengiyazama ukurapper like where I'm from yabo and also preach ukuthi yabo ngikubazekile nani like sekuyi-target audience yami le ukuthi no flop ukuthi ngikubazekile nanokuthi like yabo ngiphume yakhe ngizama ukupreacha wonke.
Yeah because vethu yabona angeke ngize ngiqamba manje mhlawumbe nawe i-torrent akubukeki kungayinto vele easy vethu because yabo mangathiwa into easy kusuke nanombane ngavela yenza yabo for you mfethu to push those boundaries and decide ukuthi okay this is what I want to do and you keep doing it yabo no matter what kukodwa lokho mfethu yabo it shows a different level of mindset yabo ukuthi shoot mindset yakho ayifani nalaba abanye ongathi yena uma ukuthi naye una same ukukhubazeka athi I know I can't do this yabo, because abantu mfethu they run away from their dreams because of ezinye izinto mfethu that they can't change yabo. Ekuyinto that we don't want mfethu yabo, because we want people to be chasing their dreams mfethu, and umuntu reach mfethu the highest mfethu yabo that they can get nabo mfethu empilweni, because phela emhlabeni mfethu we are only here for a short time yabo, and it's brief, but if we make it as impactful as we can mfethu yiyo kahle into that we are all fighting for mfethu
yabo. And ekserious masukhuluma mfethu yabo into engangihlezi ngisho unganiqede ukutshela ukuthi ngilele kakhulu oTupac. Angifuni la ukuthi favorite yami angifuni kube ngathi yabo manje mfethu yabo usibonga mfethu noma uweside mfethu like eksenami yabo ukhubazeka kuyangishaya yabo, ngifuna abantu bewazi lokho but
but
I'm still me, ngisadrafa ngisaphanta mfethu ngisawenza yonke into yabo ngiyazama yabo,
because even ngisho into mfethu Tupac yabo into enzo Tupac mfethu abe relevant kahle kahle ngalendlela relevant ngakho, because mina ke mfethu I'm shoot Tupac fan yabo. I don't think ukuthi ikhona ingoma Tupac engayazi.
I don't think
ikhona futhi even ngisho mhlawumbe interview that I've never watched yabo, but yabo into engifascinate kakhulu mfethu ngoTupac akaphilanga ngesikhathi eside yabo, he died when he was 25, but let's check the impact yabo, nanokuthi le impact futhi enye ngalezi ayikhathi it wasn't as relevant as it is now yabo. Abanye abantu they started understanding him after his death ukuthi this guy yabo, because sometimes abantu sometimes they take for granted into phambi kwabo yabo, and they don't understand the greatness that had to come with it, but as isikhathi sihamba, because naye mfethu he was rapping about himself mfethu impilo yakhe Thug Life, it's not ukuthi it was a fiction to Tupac yabo. It was him mfethu into ayikhulile we experience into futhi abengenankinga futhi nayo ukuthi die for it ukuthi no
Thug Life.
And most people they didn't understand him.
Namanje razo mina like ngihlezi ngitshela abantu ukuthi like abantu mina yabo njengami noma ngenza umculo sengabona abantu abalaleli umculo, like abantu balalela mhlawumbe ienga yabo noma ekuseyabo lovo lo usuke inhlamba kakhulu, but abalaleli ukuthi ithini lenkabi asizi ukuthi ithini lenkabi. It's much more deeper than Thug Life ngiyabulala njalo, so lalela ukuthi uthini, uyakutshela ukuthi why ukanje wena manje wena ubhizi ulalela ukuthi Thug Life yona nje kuphela into izwayo ekhanda yabo. So
and ugcine futhi nawe usuyithatha for granted, because phela nakuyena iThug Life vele it was an ideology futhi ukuthi I grew up from this area yabo, ngakhula mfethu kanje because phela abantu wayezesho naye ngani ukuthi when I say ukuthi I'm a thug, it's not ukuthi I'm saying ukuthi I'm gonna rob people yabo and do all these things, but I'm saying because I'm from this place and this is what represents me yabo. And namanje mfethu ngaphela yabo, phela if you collaborate lezo zinto ku music, even 100 years from now it will still be relevant to Tupac yabo.
Ngiyazi mina like if I was to have ingane intwana zami ziyamlalela uTupac uzomlalela because nami ngiyamlalela kakhulu. So manje ngaphela nawe mfethu I would like ngaphela nawe ukuthi ngizwe, because yabo mawubheka mfethu mfethu there is like mfethu funeka mfethu into engayisho kahle it's not you mfethu that has to accommodate yabo into zani, iyona ekumele accommodate wena yabo. It's not the other way around ukuthi funeka wena ufuna ukuzongena to this norm yabo, but your music ifethu akube yiwona ozo accommodate your life, because phela impilo yakho ngeke izishintshe mfethu with everything that you have, ngeke izishintshe, but uma kuthiwa manje you are blowing up uyafika na ku industry, i-industry ekuzomele
ize ngakuwe yabo it's not wena ukuthi wena okuzomela uyijaha so manje ingakho ukubhala ngempela mfethu about all these things mfethu because abantu iyona into glorify yourself mfethu and now futhi when you down just like everyone mfethu you are down umuntu vele mfethu it's a roller coaster mfethu lento yabo ama emotions mfethu umuntu yabo kunesikhathi mfethu where you are smiling kunesikhathi where you are angry kunesikhathi where you are sad yabo kunesikhathi when you just wanna groove yabo impilo yomuntu vele mfethu and yabo for abantu to sit kuona wonke lama angle izokwenza ba appreciate even your craft nabo more because uma umuntu mfethu akumele uzinyeze
I know it has like manje yabo mina ngangi comfortable more like ukukhuluma ngala engiphuma khona just cause yabo umrapper yabo aba rapper vele yabo yabo bakhuluma ngalokho but manje like singakufaka ukhubaze ufuna uqamba manga nami ngangekho comfortable yabo kodwa ngabona ukuthi no ekuse angikhulume ngakho nabo
because abantu they love you mfana for you and the industry mfethu umuntu ufane accepta iyo into emnandi ngeindustry mfethu uthi industry industry ayicwasi industry mfethu as much as phela ukwazi abantu na online ukuthi babuye babe nezinto zabo but industry nje mfethu angeke mfethu industry it accommodates everyone mfethu who presents something mfethu akholelwayo kuyona yabo iyakwazi ukuthi accommodate lapho mfethu and now you don't even know mfethu amanye ama heights ongawa reach and now uzibona usuwenze ezinye izinto that you've never even thought utable could do this yabo because wonke siphakanyiswa abantu bra yabo khona nje there's this guy mfethu ekunokumlalela these days angazi musical mucha or something. Hey, that guy if it is from Joburg. Hey, there's this song, yeah, has indoctrination of slavery. Hey, Damchit is very good, in fact. Yeah, boy, it's very good, and the perspective, yeah, when it comes to music, yeah, choose of it. Because I do believe the personality in fact music, yeah, boy. Look at even abantu fethu abanjengo Akalicious, yeah, boy. Akalicious but had his personality, yeah, boy. Into ebimchaza nje and noma impilo ipinganzekanga ngendlela abeyifuna na uthenze ngayo but ku music yohleze relevant yabo ubheko aka Casper because Casper came with the mindset yokuthi ngeke mfethu I want to bring money to music yabo Casper Nyovest sonke siyazi ukuthi is the one
imali mfethu ngalani red profile
and then wafika vele ezobulala stigma sokuthi hip hop doesn't pay because when wafika phela hip hop and actually it doesn't pay how sithi yabheka ibo nangese sign deal ya 5 million mfethu MTN kyachuka kuthiwa hip hop rapper hip hop artist
uyakhuphuka ngiyabona
emva kwalokho bangenilo aka bakhuphuka nabanye buka manje ukuthi how many people ku industry who are not afraid manje to make money because ama artists ngale zayikhathi fana we one life ethu ku hip hop bewaziwa nje ukuthi
akhomali
bekuyinto nje abantu ababroke akho umuntu ozosign deal ne
imali zicela ukubuza olokhunja oslicker nabo imali cha bahambi man igroup yabo ibizwa
Squatter Camp yeah no but Squatter Camp but they were doing quite.
It was quite scary.
Yeah, Squatter Camp when they were kahle nabo they were do good manje there is a very thin line of between iKwaito and iLentozana and the hip hop. Uma ukunje we speaking nje about the truth yabo ingoba phela South Africa ngalesa sikhathi vele bekuthiwa iKwaito but there was a very thin line because the umuntu uma engakutshela ukuthi iphi genre
ubungeke uzowazi
yeah ubungeke uze makufuthiwa nje nanga uzola uyacula uyabo ngeke uzuthi ungathi akusi hip hop le uyabo uzozutshela ukuthiwa this is quite ingakho nawe uma uyibheka ukuthi ithe uma evolve yaya kakhulu la isikisi yaya kakhulu la kulentozana ku hip hop yaqala ngathi kasi rap yabo yalokhu ishintsha ke manje base kufike noma piano because nabo ma piano they are bringing back all those lawa ama vocal vele lawe lentozana lawe quiet yabo uma ubheka nje ama piano vele amaningi iyona into abayilethayo manje yabo yinto abayilethayo leyo vibe le ukuthi okay hey yabo sisi youngster nje yabezo youngster kahle kahle naye it comes from a hip hop background Yeah, and I used to do hip hop, uyangstand. Even ngisho ubalo uzi the Toxic. Usewuzinqumalo ke manje.
Oh, man.
Yeah, ngani but she used to be uzi the Toxic.
Bengazi.
Yeah, ubeshaya nje naye intozana nje hip hop nje. Ubeshaya hip hop, then she transformed herself naye njengoba nje ke sewuzinqumalo ke manje ke nje eseshaya ipiano yabo. So yonke lento ithi mfethu, and the hip hop mawuzobheka vele that's where everyone starts. Ngisho abanye abantu manje uduwa ama R&B and what, but they started on hip hop because hip hop yona music oqala ukuvumela to express yourself. Yeah, but
awukho futhi omunye ngibona ngathi alawa ngaleyo ndlela because hip hop ungabe yonke into ungabe ulova oyi-lover boy yabo umuntu othando lapho ubo Tupac ubo bani yabo so yabo uyawazi
and unayo nanesikhathi futhi yabo ukuthi lezi zinto uzenze because kwi hip hop 4 minutes we hip hop ngeke ufanise no 4 minutes we R&B 4 minutes we R&B mhlawumbe uzophinda i-chorus ka-3 noma ka-4 but kwi hip hop ungashaya i-chorus kabili then lese sinye isikhathi i-world play kwayona iyakuvumela ukuthi yabo there's even this guy eske sahlala naye lana umthuthu yabo nje lo mjito useshaya in manje yini khona lo music lo madala kunene
angikwazi
lo nje usa jazz kodwa futhi the African jazz yabo useshaya wona and naye yazi ukuthi when he told me ukuthi he used to be a hip hop artist ngama ngathi hip hop manje lo muntu osecula kanje but wonke uthola ukuthi umuntu uqala lapha then you discover yourself ukuthi okay as I can also like sing and then you start ke manje ke being like umuntu ke la nawe ke that you wanna be ke ngaleso sikhathi but nje mfethu lo music mfethu hip hop mfethu music isithanda kakhulu mfethu yabo it heals mfethu yabo mina even listening kwabantu abanjengo Fora. I'm not sure if you know Fora. Yeah, there's this American guy mfethu he does like ukuthi music wakhe ke abantu abaningi bathi you said yabo because yena isound yakhe nje yabo is one of those guys mfethu lethi ungathi uma umlalele ufeel at lo mthetho is very depressed yabo but yabo vele ke yena ke vele ubevele ke nabo ke abantu vele abanye ngicabanga ukuthi khona ngisho ingoma ke zenza nabo yabo but kodwa futhi uma uzomuzwa as much as umuntu o-depressed but futhi there is that element of ukuthi uyayi-embrace futhi lento yabo in a way ukuthi there is hope because phela yinto esukubalulekile ukuthi shothiwa uthini but umuntu menze abe hopeful ngithi uma ngikulawo ama-emotions ngilalela vele but ngibe nethemba futhi nami ukuthi but I will still yabo because now that's where you get to see ukuthi kahle kahle sibhekene into eziningi vele so so manje ngiyena kuthi ngiyawuthanda mfethu hip hop because if you show up at center thina mfethu siyafika la ko at center yabo nje go hood versus hood siyafika laphana mfethu ukuthi manje ama sound la eThekwini ahlukene kabili because khona le sound vele uyifica la ko Florida kakhulu kube khona lo uyifica ko Bed Center because ko Bed Center bathanda amabhazi vele le rap esiZulu vele yabo ko Bed Center vele kuthanda amabhazi vele ko Bed Center vele nje uma ufika nje ushaya ipunch nje kubonakalayo ukuthi yini umuntu lo
ingozi
but manje wabo mothi uyafika ngapha ku Florida uzofica bona oThoni noSimamane bekushayela nje hip hop futhi
trap
ekuyiyona ke hambayo ngoba phela manje mawubheka ukuthi thina we have two different types because o Duncan nozakwe vele yibo vele Bed Center yabo then base kuthi ke o Blakey because o Blakey o Tony o Simamane o Lord Script iyo le genge vele ile sound le yako Florida o Loki yabo ile sound vele and it's them who are really like succeeding but even ngishe Jozi because bona uvele wasifike Jozi yavele yathi
bakhuphu
yabo ngapha kwekasi rap yama struggle semaningi kakhulu yabo semaningi kakhulu so manje kubalekile na ukuthi uye ngapha just to test yourself of it ubone ukuthi ingeke
no kahle mina ngangishayo na i-West Coast yabo wathiwa basi bangitshela bathi kuse lento lecishe ifane njengekasi rap so manje mawuzoshaya ikasi rap le Chinese ayisadayisi kahle. So kumele first ushaye i-trap but like ngisawumuntu nje like ofanayo. Ngithathela kubona oDuncan mina oDuncan ngitshelile ukuthi yabo uzoli njalo uSuper ngicule njalo yabo ukuthi mina ngenza nge-trap.
Yeah, why you denizer now ukuthi hayi phela because vele phela usuke usu-euthanize yabo because phela sikhona ikasi trap kahle kahle masukhuluma sikhona ikasi trap but now music osazoqala ucindezele ukudlula ngisho ayona ke ikasi rap but sikhona na ikasi trap mfethu leyizwayo na uthi ngishiya insimbi because music vele ama BPM mfethu ayushintshile music yabo because mawuzobheka ikwaito umehluko phakathi kwekwaito vele na hip hop ingoba ikwaito ama BPM akhona besilo kakhulu yabo ikwaito ibinenza yabo ikwaito bingasinto ebingafani njenganale manje ukuthi ibeat yamanje siyagijima yabo manje ngisho bona piano sometimes ikhona ingoma ukuyizwe kwipiano uzothi yazi le ngoma kahlahle i sound yekwaito but manje it's take kuba fast because manje abantu sebethanda vele into ethe ukuthi manje yabo but nje mfethu umusic yohleze mfethu music yabo so manje ukhona umsebenzi mhlawumbe njengama EP ke oke wakhipha mhlawumbe that people can go and stream nje manje
ama EP no kodwa ngiqeda dropa ingoma ethiwa ibekezela sigebengu yabo on the 9th of March.
Okay what is it about?
Yimi ngami nje bethu yabo where I'm from yabo where I'm from yabo ngizama ukushaya imali angisole ngizama
phela ungazizwisa phela kancane nathi sike sizwe mfethu because
ufuna ukuyini
even without a beat nje mfethu no sengisho nje mhlawumbe sizwe nje wena nje uyisho
ngi freestyle
yeah
wasibo i-verse ngishaya i-verse
yeah
alright so that's okay sure wona lapho suthi aspeed njengengane encane edlududi akhisha lestopose can't forget the homies can't forget the chomies mpusha njengomama uzama ukhipha incosi kama uphaze kudlula iboshwa abapholova kwamakhona ngoba impilo enzima njengophuma wikhoma yangithola came from the galley exe when you see me out tune me away sivuka ekseni asilali ekusuku sithanda lento emhlophe ekudlula ipunu yimi uDr Uma ngikhule namacharo in the laboratory simbiza uLeo umhlaba uyabanda asinanhliziyo ingoma zaringo sicula ingoma zaringo
ngiyayizwa that element of kasi ukuthi
ayikho
ngiyayizwa ndayi ngeke mfethu nje nawe ngiyakuzwa mfethu yabo good luck mfethu with the music mfethu music mfethu heal souls bro music yabo without music mfethu mina umhlaba vela ngobona ukuthi ngabe uyindawo ebekungahlaleka kuyona because yabo these things mfethu ngisho kusetshenzwe emsebenzini music mfethu hlezi ukhona yabo hlezi ukhona umusic so manje nje mfethu kufuneka mfethu ngampela uphusha because nabo OKG sengike ngabeza futhi sengike ngababona futhi nabo perform yabona basha music nabo ohlukile yabo so manje mfethu nawe ngoba mfethu kuyona mfethu letozana mfethu hayi and abantu futhi they must go and stream mfethu ingoma yabo unganithe khona wonke ama platforms
yabo website BK bekezela sigebengu yonke indawo mfethu sabo yonke indawo nje indawo la umuntu afuna ukulalela khona ikhona yabo khona nje yonke indawo
yeah I know so ke manje ke mfethu mhlawumbe nje for umuntu ke nje mfethu nayo semakhaya mfethu ofila sengazuthi naye mhlawumbe ustuck mhlawumbe in a way mfethu mhlawumbe ungamnika maphi nje mhlawumbe ama words mfethu like mhlawumbe encouragement nje mfethu mhlawumbe for them nabo to start mfethu and just push.
So uzoba nje same yabo whether ukhubazekile whether uselokishini yabo dagali noma ikuphi yabo indawo ecishe ifana yabo similar places yabo kodwa ke impilo wazobo impilo yakho mfethu ibeyond yabo leshandisi lo ibonayo every day so yabo iningi nje ongawenza emhlabeni yabo impilo yakho nje mfethu uNkulunkulu mfethu ndoda wakuneza ingqondo nani mfethu sabona ukuthi ukhubazekile still usawulova ngisola Iyangithola yabo nje futhi usawumuntu still yabo so mina nje yabo ukwazi lokho kabema yabo.
You can push whatever that you want to push.
You can push, you can be whatever that you want to be yabo.
Hayi ngeke mfethu, those are great words mfethu. So manje abafuna mhlawumbe ukukulandela ke where do they follow you mhlawumbe kuma socials?
Instagram website.bk. TikTok noma ngasappost yangazi ngagcina nini but YBK099. Facebook senginawo website.bk.
Okay. Hayi ngoba phela kubalekile mfethu ukuthi ube nawo wonke lo phela nawo futhi they pay. Yabo so now uma uyakwazi ukuthola nje following ngempela mfethu eyanele nane attraction kubantu. Now la social media mfethu they pay. Yabo ngangithi music mfethu pays nowadays akusafani nakudala yabo before but manje hayi yabo manje uma ukuthi because phela you do the same things on zonke izinto for TikTok, Facebook, you post izinto ezifanayo but yabo uma ukuthi zonke ine following because now usubhukhwa ngazo futhi manje naye enye into phela mozo ukuthi sekuyachathwa manje futhi sekubuzwa ama followers uma ufuna ukubhukhwa manje
uqinisile
ubuza ama followers kuthi unama followers amangaki ekubona athi ngeke kuthiwa una 10 hayi ngeke kuthiwa una 10,000 ayawubhuka
iqiniso lelo
so manje kubalekile ukuthi ngempela nawo uwapush yabo ukuthi nabo abantu kodwa mfethu nabo bakufollowishe mfethu abantu yabo
ngicela
siyafuna ukuthi bakufollowishe abantu mfethu and also like engage mfethu with the music because music vele mfethu uhlezi uzo attractwa ilento othi you need in your life yabo. Mina ngisho ingoma othi ingene by mistake sometimes uyizwa uthi le ngoma athi right yabo, you didn't even know but you needed ukuthi uyizwe yabo because ezinye izinto mfethu you don't understand ngempela nawe ukuthi why uthola ukuthi izigcina seyifikile but hey mfethu it's only one thing that can change your life yabo. And ama words mfethu iyona into kahlahle emhlabeni mfethu that is more important than anything engakhona. Ama words mfethu ama words enye into ama words yabo, ama words mfethu they change umhlaba ndoda yabo. Yeah, they change umhlaba. No, thank you so much mfethu for coming through. I know, thank you so much.
Kakhulu uba la mfethu wozananda amanye ama upcoming artists mfethu siyabonga kakhulu Razo, ngiyabonga kakhulu mina Razo uba la vari sabo ngiqamba manga mfethu yabo ngiyabonga.
I know nathi kubonga thina mfethu yabo just to chill nje mfethu and yabona engage because vele yonke lento that we yama build up mfethu of what is yet to come yabo kuningi vele kusazokwenzeka but yabona uma ubokho uzifaka espacini mfethu you put yourself in a position yokuthi ngempela mase kufika ukuthi because vele ukupopa mina ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi umuntu usupopile vele already yabo. So ukuthi nje phela ke grow mfethu yabo, keep growing and then keep collecting the money and i-brand ikhule mfethu and understand yourself ukuthi you are a brand and into ezokukhokhela yiyo leyo brand leyo yabo. Because phela abantu abaningi mfethu yiyo leyo nto abangafuni ukunderstand ukuthi as much as you are making music but you are building a brand more than anything. And the brand leyo it's bigger than even music kahle kahle yabo because you can even quit music and do something else but if your brand is up there it's there nomphela
yabo. Consider because bangiphusha nje umusic ezinye izinto amshobo ngabalulu ukuthi nje ngizenze because sengiyaziwa vele nani yabo.
I know, thank you so much. Nawe mbukeli uma ukuthi ubusabukile kuze kube la. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow website nje YBK kuona wonke ama platforms awabalile and also like stream music and engage nje mfethu nabantu uma ukuthi nawe mhlambe you would like ukuthi kube khona into eniyenzayo ndawonye mthinte yabo, mthinte kuona lama socials awabalayo and ama collaboration afuneka mfethu yabo. Mayikhondlela ukucollaborate mfethu kubhukhwane and nje kube mnandi kakhulu yabo. Lumkile Zinyanga, I'm signing out. Thank you.